Oh yeah, that's definitely it. I have to go in there somewhere. I'll go ahead and take that bolt out. I just finally got that fit in there. See where they made up next to each other. Of course, I just touched that freaking front pipe. Getting somewhere. Back there in a stock hole. So I guess push it back all the way. I guess probably measure from that weld to over top of that, however much. Probably have to mark it here on the frame where that weld is. Alright, that's a start. I like that. Alrighty. I ended up using a handsaw to cut it. Mid-pipe. Designed in USA that I cut out of the 3. When I got the 3, I had to hammer this, heat it with a torch. I bent that piece of pipe a little bit. I'll see if it gets hot. If I put some sort of heat clamp or something like that, I might be able to run that brake clip. Factory mounting position. This is a close-up. It kind of sits out just right to give the bike that extra presence. This piece of pipe is basically the straightest section in the pipe. So this, I had to open up the bend. I was able to use a big breaker bar to step on it and get that bend, which was a little bit too tight. I was able to make that bend open up for the pipe to fit down in through here. Otherwise, the resonator was just touching the cylinder head. I only had to make one cut on the pipe where I had made my tape